Hello friends. Have you ever wondered what it takes to grow living cells outside the human body? Meet the CO₂ Incubator, one of the unsung heroes of biotechnology and medical research. Imagine a box that can mimic the conditions inside your body, so cells can live, grow, and multiply just like they do in nature. That's exactly what a CO₂ incubator does. It's not just a fancy box, it's a high-tech life support system for cells, tissues, and even some microorganisms. Let's break down what's inside this scientific marvel. On the outside, you've got a tough stainless steel cabinet, insulated to keep the inside steady and safe. Open it up, and you'll find a shiny polished chamber, corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. There are two doors, a solid outer door to seal in the conditions, and a glass inner door so you can peek at your cultures without disturbing them. Shelves inside can be adjusted to fit flasks, plates, or even bioreactors. There's a heating system, usually set at 37 degrees Celsius, the same as your body temperature. Some incubators use air jackets, others use water jackets. But the goal is the same: keep the temperature rock steady. Now here's the magic part, the CO₂ control system. A gas cylinder feeds CO₂ into the chamber, keeping levels between 5 and 10%. Why? Because CO₂ interacts with the culture medium to keep its pH just right, around 7.2 to 7.4, which is perfect for most cells. Sensors inside, usually infrared or thermal, constantly monitor CO₂ levels and adjust as needed. And don't forget humidity. A water reservoir or humidifier keeps the air moist, preventing the culture medium from drying out. Add in a circulation fan to mix everything up, and a digital control panel to keep an eye on all the settings, and you've got a complete ecosystem in a box. But why is all this so important? In research labs, CO₂ incubators are the backbone for growing mammalian cells, engineering tissues, testing drugs, and even producing vaccines. They're crucial for genetic engineering, cancer studies, and stem cell research. The stable environment means experiments are reproducible. No wild swings in temperature or pH to mess things up. So next time you hear about a breakthrough in medicine, remember, somewhere behind the scenes, a CO₂ incubator made it possible. It's not just a box, it's a gateway to discoveries that can change lives. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more science simplified.